Good morning everyone, or good afternoon or evening or wherever you are. This is a giveaway video. Now this one is spoken for, so we'll take that one out of the mix, and then we have these two. This one here is not in this part of the giveaway. This is what is in the giveaway here. So this journal. So I'll just quickly flip through very vaguely so you can remember it. So this is in the giveaway. Now if you to participate in the giveaway, you have to be a subscriber, and you need to be a subscriber that I can go and see, not a secret subscriber, you know how you can keep your subscriptions secret. I need to be able to verify that you're a subscriber, and you also need to comment below, because I will use the random comment picker to choose a winner for this little journal. And just let me know in your comment which is your favorite kit by Medieval Mirage by Jarf. And you can tell me your favorite kit, or you can also tell me which kits do you have. I'd love to know. I'm just curious. So that is how you participate in the giveaway. And if you just wait a second, there's going to be a surprise. So I'll be back in 1 minute. Hi guys, I'm back. I hope you can hear me. I don't have my microphone attached. Now, this is a surprise giveaway for this journal here, Flouirish. So you will have seen that in the video. I've chosen the video in this series with the most comments, to be fair, because in my flip through, people haven't had enough time to comment. And this is, I like to do a little surprise giveaway, just to say thank you to those who really do genuinely always comment. I know there are lots of people that watch every video and don't comment. That's why I'm also doing a public giveaway. Oh, I didn't say when the public giveaway will close. It will close in, I'll draw it on Sunday. I don't know what is it the Sunday the 1st? Just let me have a look at the calendar here. Sunday will be, no, the 30th. So 30th of June, I'm going to draw the other giveaway. I better put a memory in my phone, otherwise I'll forget. And then this is a surprise giveaway for this one, and I chose, as I said, in the series of the design team project, I've chosen the video with the most comments. So I've put the URL in already, and we're going to choose our winner. Let's see what happens. I hope I put the right URL in. So amount of unique commenters, 91. That takes out my replies and that sort of thing. If my sister did comment on there and she wins, I'll redo it. Sorry, Sarah. Okay, so how do I do it? Oh, start. See, I haven't done one for a while. I completely forgot. Oh, and the winner is Donna. So Donna Matoy, is that right? You are the winner. Can you please tell me your, contact me on Etsy. Yes, that's the best way. So Donna has won. I'm going to write that down. Congratulations, Donna. You are the winner. So if you contact me on Etsy, or, yes, oh, I'll put my email in the description box as well. You could email me. I need your address and your phone number, because I'll ship it by courier, because I have had giveaway things disappear. So I don't want it to disappear, so I will ship by courier, so it has a tracking number. So congratulations, and I will see you soon. Bye.